Hey everyone, it is Crystal with Pineapple Papers, and I have a design team project for the Scrap Room. This is the June 2026 Flavors of the Month kit, and this is the Pinkfresh Crafted Moments. So you saw the 3 pattern papers that we get. We also got 2 pieces of white cardstock, and then we get an assorted bits and pieces that's going to vary, and some foam stickers. So I'm gonna lay out all of the pieces that I got in my kit. Like I said, it is going to vary. You may end up with different pieces. And then for the pattern paper kit, these are the 2 that I got. I am definitely going to be fussy cutting out that hexagon paper. And then for the embellishment kit, we get half a pack of the Pinkfresh Puffy Alphas, and the color is going to vary. So I got this kind of really pretty purpley color, and I've been kind of loving lately the whole idea of like 2 big elements on a layout. So I'm going to start with the white cardstock, as well as I think trying to think if I used all of the papers. I love this floral, so I knew I definitely was going to do that. I'm actually going to make some banners. So I'm going to start with the floral, knowing that I wanted to use that. And then I decided to use the opposite side as well. So I'm going to just bend my paper to where the corners meet, and then cut at a diagonal. That's how I make my my banners. Sometimes they turn out better than others. So this next piece of paper that I'm going to use is this floral, and it is a blue background. So it's going to stand out against the green and the white as well. So I'm going to make that banner. And then I'm going to pull in this really pretty pink paper. So I'm actually doing a Valentine's Day layout. So I'm going to pull in this paper, and then I'm going to gut it. And I am going to frame my white cardstock. So I am also going to mat my photo in this pretty pink purpley paper as well. So that's part of the reason that I normally gut my photo or my background papers. The other part is I know I have like probably a million papers. Okay, maybe that's not quite, but I really want to use more of it, and it just most of the time feels wasteful to me. And I really like, especially if I'm going to frame something, I really like to bring that pattern to the front anyway. So I've got my photo matted, and now I'm going to trim down my white cardstock, and I'm going to get that matted on there. And then I'm going to start putting the layout together. It actually comes together very quickly. I'm really liking kind of like 2 separate elements on a layout. And so I'm going to do one big element, which is going to be the banners and the photo. And then I'm going to do a smaller element down to the left-hand side, which is going to be a cluster with a title. And it's super easy. So if you are looking for a quick and easy layout, this is definitely a go-to. So I've got my pattern paper banners there. I was trying to decide if I wanted to do the patterns all the way up to the top or just to the white cardstock. So that's what I was kind of thinking about. Ultimately, I decide to just go to the white cardstock. And I did rough up those edges And I put them down, and I put my photo down as well. And so the base of my title cluster to the left is going to be that big floral that I got. So I'm going to add a floral to the other side as well on top of the photo, a little tab that says Pure Love, and then there was a little banner piece in there. So I ended up getting a 4th banner just because it was one of the ephemeras and I felt like it worked well. And then I've got this big butterfly, and I think he works okay because the floral part is so big. And I've got some acrylic pieces from my stash that are super old, and they are very Valentine's Day. And this is picture on Valentine's Day. My husband's part of the Mounted Sheriff Posse, and they do a Valentine's Day dinner where the wives come. And so that's what this is. So the first part of my title is going to be love, and it's got a couple of those like conversation hearts. So I'm going to scatter those about because, I mean, that's Valentine's Day. A couple of hearts as well as a little ticket. We didn't need a ticket to get into this, but it's fine. And then I'm going to add the word posse because that's what it was. So my whole title is going to be Posse Love. And then I did add a couple of the chipboards. One, the little stamp at the bottom, and then these 2 pieces on the banners that say, "You make days brighter and happiness looks good on you." So that is going to do it for my layout today. I hope you enjoyed it. I will have links to the scrap room down below so you can get your hands on this kit. And remember to wear your crown. And we'll see you next time. Bye.